Hey everyone, and welcome back to Regency Repairs. Today we have a special video all about apartment orientation. Once you move into your new apartment, there are several key components that we're going to go over that will significantly help you upkeep the apartment and keep it in perfect working condition. If any of these things that you find are too difficult, please don't hesitate to contact your manager. First thing we're going to go over is your through-the-wall air conditioner. One very important thing that you can do is keep the air filter clean. It's very easy to take out, like I just did there, from the front, and you can just take it over to the sink, rinse it off under the water, or use any vacuum or dusting sort of anything just to get that all cleared. Once it's dried off, you can just reinsert it back into the air conditioner, and you can breathe cleanly. Nice. The next thing we're going to go over is water shutoffs. You're going to have water shutoffs on anything that runs water, like your washing machine. Behind the washing machine, there is a hot and a cold. Some of them are different, but this one just has one on-off switch for both. You just pull the lever forward. Under your kitchen sink, there's also a hot and a cold water shutoff. These will be turn valves. You turn it clockwise to turn the water off and counterclockwise to turn it on. If you ever experience any leaks throughout your apartment, please make sure that you turn the water off. The same shutoffs are located underneath your bathroom faucet, clockwise to close, counterclockwise to turn on. Your toilet has one water shutoff valve. If you ever experience any overflow from the toilet, it is very important to turn this water off so it stops running. Another thing we're going to go over right now is how to plunge a toilet. These plungers that we use are kind of a bell shaped, and they tend to work the best for plunging. You need to make a very tight connection with the plunger and then insert in and out, always making sure that there's water in the bowl. Once you work it up and down, it should push whatever the obstruction is down into the plumbing, and then you can make sure that you wrap up your plunger and keep it nice and clean. You can also use your tub to clean it off. Make sure it's all working, and it should be good to go. Another thing that can happen with toilets is your handle can stop working. If it does, you can actually still flush the toilet just by removing the lid and pulling up on the chain. That will allow you to flush your toilet in a pinch. If the chain is broken, you can actually just reach down with your hand and pull the lever as well. When taking a shower, it's very important to run your bathroom fan. This will keep moisture out of the bathroom and prevent any water mildew from growing. Another thing in the apartment is your thermostat that runs your baseboard register heats. You can turn that on and off like so. Another thing to keep up to good working condition is your fire smoke detector. You can remove your smoke detector by twisting it and taking it down. These are all wired smoke detectors, but there's also a backup battery for the smoke detector that is a 9-volt. That's very easy to change. You just push, remove the battery, get a new 9-volt battery, reinsert the same way you took it out, and then close the gate. One very common thing that we find in the apartments that people struggle with is the outlets that we have that are actually switched outlets. There's a switch on the wall that will operate them, and then the bottom outlet is always the switched outlet. This is good for plugging in lights, lamps, or anything that you want to be able to control with the switch. Thanks guys, have a good day.